Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the we can't verify your subscription status. Now, to fix this, all I did was I signed out of my Adobe, Creative Cloud, and then you just signed back in, whichever way you made your account, whether it's email, Google, Facebook, Apple, you sign back in to the application. If that doesn't work, what you need to do is verify your device's date and time settings that they are actually correct. As you can see right here, mine are correct. And if you have any VPNs that are working, any security software like Windows Firewall blocking it, make sure you disable those. And make sure your account is properly linked, that your Wi-Fi is also actually properly working. And if it is, it should actually work as long as you have a valid subscription. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.